Hey my loves! Today we're diving deep into the world of natural face creams. Whether you're committed to a clean skincare routine or just curious about incorporating more natural ingredients, we've got you covered. So many people ask me about natural options, and let me tell you, there are some incredible products out there that work absolute wonders for your skin. We're going to break down the best natural face creams for every skin type, from dry and flaky to oily and acne-prone. I'm talking about those creamy, dreamy formulas packed with plant-based goodness that will leave your skin feeling healthy, balanced, and absolutely radiant. And because I know you guys love a good DIY, we'll even be whipping up a super simple natural face cream recipe that you can try at home. So get ready to glow from within as we explore the power of nature for happy, healthy skin. Let's get started. First up, we have a cult classic, Weleda Skin Food. Now this stuff is seriously thick and rich, making it a godsend for those with dry or flaky skin, especially during the colder months. I'm talking about that intense, lasting hydration that your skin craves when it's feeling parched. It's formulated with a blend of plant-based oils like sunflower seed oil and sweet almond oil, which work together to nourish and protect the skin barrier. You can even use it on rough patches, cuticles, or anywhere that needs a little extra TLC. It's a true multitasker. For my sensitive skin friends out there, listen up. Pi Skincare's The Anthemis is a gentle, soothing moisturizer specifically formulated to calm irritation and redness. If your skin freaks out at the slightest change or ingredient, this one's for you. This cream is made with chamomile and rosehip oil, both known for their anti-inflammatory and calming properties. It's also fragrance-free, which is a major plus for sensitive skin. It's all about delivering that gentle hydration without any potential irritants. Okay, oily and combination skin types, this one's for you. Juice Beauty's Oil-Free Moisturizer is a lightweight, non-comedogenic dream come true. It hydrates without clogging pores or leaving that greasy, heavy feeling behind. What's great about this moisturizer is that it's packed with organic ingredients like aloe vera, grapeseed extract, and pomegranate, which are all amazing antioxidants that help to protect your skin from environmental damage. It's like a refreshing juice cleanse for your face. Acure's incredibly clear mattifying moisturizer is another great option for those with oily or acne-prone skin. It helps to control shine and keep those pores happy, all while providing essential hydration. This moisturizer's secret weapon is willow bark extract, a natural source of salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is a BHA that works wonders to exfoliate the skin and prevent breakouts. Plus, it has aloe vera to soothe and calm any inflammation. Now, if you're looking to indulge in a little luxury, True Botanicals Renew Cream is the way to go. This luxurious, clean beauty gem is formulated with a potent blend of natural actives that promote cell turnover and boost collagen production. We're talking ingredients like hyaluronic acid for deep hydration, algae extract to firm and plump the skin, and a blend of botanical oils for a radiant glow. It's definitely an investment, but the results speak for themselves. Next up is a fan favorite for a reason, Mad Hippie Face Cream. This stuff is seriously effective and won't break the bank. It's packed with peptides, antioxidants, and natural extracts that work together to improve skin texture, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and give you that youthful glow. Think of it as a multivitamin for your skin. It has everything from peptides to help smooth fine lines and wrinkles to antioxidants like green tea extract and resveratrol to protect your skin from environmental damage. All right, my DIY enthusiasts, let's get our hands dirty. This simple DIY face cream recipe is perfect for those who want to keep their skincare routine as natural as possible. The star ingredients here are shea butter, a deeply nourishing emollient, and aloe vera gel, known for its soothing and hydrating properties. You can customize this recipe with your favorite essential oils too. Lavender is great for calming and relaxation, while tea tree oil can help combat blemishes. Just a few drops will do the trick. Remember to store it in a cool, dry place and enjoy that fresh homemade goodness. So there you have it, my friends. A roundup of some of the best natural face creams on the market, plus a DIY recipe for the ultimate natural skincare experience. Remember, everyone's skin is unique, so it's all about finding what works best for you. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different formulas until you discover your holy grail natural face cream. And as always, be sure to listen to your skin and pay attention to how it reacts to different ingredients. Now go forth and embrace the power of nature for healthy, radiant skin. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. See you in the next one.